Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vinay Chandha, Head of the Department Mechanical Engineering, Kalinga University, Raipur. I have done my BTech from BIT Sindri, Dhanbad in 1988, MTech from ISM Dhanbad, IIT in 1992 and PhD from BRA, BU University. I welcome all the graduate and postgraduate students of Kalinga University and other institutions to join this 45 days internship program in Mechanical Engineering Department, Kalinga University. I also welcome and encourage the highly motivated and bright students to pursue research work in the field of mechanical engineering. In Mechanical Engineering Department, we have highly qualified faculty members and we are providing basic knowledge of mechanical engineering, theoretically and practically. In our mechanical labs, all labs are well equipped, computerized, test-rigged to conduct research work in various fields of mechanical engineering. The main objective of 45 days internship program in mechanical engineering is to provide hands-on opportunities to work with technology and equipment, to increase self-confidence and motivation, enhances their curriculum vitae, and definitely the students will be made fit for work in industry and they will be provided opportunity to gain valuable workplace. We have divided internship into 4 parts. Module 1, practical training in manufacturing process. Module 2, various forms of audit. Module 3, advanced softwares. And Module 4, our central instrumentation facility usage. Thank you so much for joining internship program.